Hello everyone! Welcome to Voice Vocabulary today. You will learn English through a powerful motivational story. Have you ever helped someone and they never said thank you? Have you ever given everything, but people still asked for more? Have you ever been so kind that people started using you? There is a painful truth. Being good does not always protect you. Sometimes it hurts you. Today, you will learn a very important lesson. Be kind, but be smart. So, listen carefully and try to understand every sentence. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a man named Thomas. Thomas was a very kind man. He always helped others. If someone needed help, Thomas was there. If someone needed money, Thomas gave it. If someone needed time, Thomas listened. People said, "Thomas is a very good man." Thomas felt proud. He believed his kindness was his strength. But slowly, something started changing. Thomas began to feel tired. He felt weak. He felt empty. Every night, he asked himself, "Why do I feel like this?" One day, his neighbor came to him. "Thomas, can you help me fix my roof?" Thomas was tired. His body needed rest. But he said yes. He worked all day under the hot sun. When he finished, the neighbor said, "Come again tomorrow." No thank you, no respect. Just another request. Thomas felt hurt. But he stayed silent. Another day. His friend asked for money. "I will return it soon." Thomas trusted him. He gave the money. But the money never came back. When Thomas asked, his friend got angry. "Don't you trust me?" Thomas felt confused. He was helping, but still feeling wrong. One evening, Thomas sat alone near a river. He looked sad. An old man came and sat beside him. He said, "You look tired." Thomas replied, "I help everyone, but I feel empty." The old man smiled and said, "That is because you are kind, but not wise." Thomas looked surprised. "What do you mean?" The old man said. "Kindness without limits becomes weakness. If you say yes to everyone, people will use you. If you never say no, people will not respect you." Thomas listened carefully. For the first time, he understood something important. The next day, someone came and asked for help. Thomas took a deep breath and said, "No." It was difficult, but he said it. People were shocked. "You have changed." Thomas replied, "Yes, I am still kind, but now I respect myself." Slowly, things started changing. People stopped using him. They started respecting him. They valued his time. They valued his effort. Thomas felt different. He felt strong. He felt peaceful. Now, listen carefully. Kindness is a beautiful thing. But kindness without boundaries can destroy you. You don't have to say yes to everyone. You don't have to please everyone. You don't have to sacrifice yourself. Learn to say no. Learn to protect your energy. Learn to respect yourself, because real kindness is not weakness. Real kindness is wisdom. If you like this story, don't forget to like and subscribe to Voice Vocabulary. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next video.